So in this video, we are going to go over actually how to optimize and set up your YouTube channel from the beginning, just so you can see the things that need to happen for optimization purposes and get you a lot more subscribers, get your videos up at the top, suggested videos, those types of things. So very first thing you want to do is take a look at your About Us page. Most of the time, businesses are not doing a good job of creating an About Us description of what their channel's doing. So Google is looking at all these things. So you want to set up a good About Us page. You do that. You just hit here, customize your channel. And then you can hover over here, hit the pencil, and then fill this out. Now you want it to be keyword rich, not crazy. You want it to make sense. Okay, but you want to tell the viewer, hey, what am I about? And then also what I like to do, if you plan on getting a lot of traffic through YouTube, put in here some type of offer. So I said make sure you go to our website and get our free video marketing checklist. Then down here you have all the links. So that is something, that's kind of your very first step, is set up what it is that you're about. Also, you make sure you have a good cover photo. I put right here, video marketing training. That's what we do. Have a picture of me, and then you have your website, social media. Now, this, you just need to decide where you want to send your traffic. Some people don't like their traffic leaving YouTube. That's fine. You can put other social media, or you can just leave it blank. Just depends on where you want to drive traffic. So, another thing. After that, it's always a pain to get here. Go to your video manager up top. A lot of times I'll click around a bunch trying to find this. So the next thing you want to do is decide how, like, you want to go in and do a lot of keyword research. Okay, and I'm just doing this again I've done it a couple of times, but I'm really focusing. I'm going to be adjusting my upload, my default uploads. So this is what I do for keyword research. A couple things. So I'll type here up top, let's say you're in the plumbing business. Plumbing. Google gives you plumbing 101. So these are all really good keywords. So I use something called vidIQ. You don't need to use it. You can still do a lot of manual searching, but I try to find the suggested keywords that Google puts out there. And then I do a lot of keyword research. So here's my keyword research right now. So vidIQ tells me my search volume, they tell me how competitive it is, they tell me my overall score. So I go through and make sure that all of my keywords, I started with a list of probably 1,500, and I'm just narrowing it down now. But I'll grab all of these keywords, I'll figure out what has the most searches, which is the least competitive, and then I will use those title tags on almost every one of my videos. So when you're setting up the channel, you want to make sure that you have your title tags. I like to have okay, this is something I just learned, so you know that. You put in 4 or 5 title tags in every single one of your video, and then that are standard, and then from there you customize the rest of the tags for that video. Okay, so why you want to do that is because you're able to take over all the suggested videos, because that's where you'll get a lot of your traffic, is if you can dominate the suggested video. So here on your upload defaults, put in the keywords you want to go for. Okay, I also like to have default like social media links, website links. I am going to be expanding on this, so that is not the best example. Okay, click on your advanced. Okay, here are channel keywords. So that's another place where you want to make sure you have your top 5, top 20 keywords in there. Link your account up to your Google Analytics, your Google AdWords. Make sure you associate your website, okay? And then you put your analytics property here. Monetization, you can monetize it if you want. That means other people can run ads on your video. And that is it. So just a quick recap. Make sure you have a good description. Make sure you have a good cover photo that gets people's attention, that tells them what your channel is about. Get a good icon. Then go in these advanced features. You can do your upload defaults. Make sure your channel keywords are all there. Okay, and that is it. So good luck. If you have any other questions, let me know. We'd be happy to help. See ya.